Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my dear students. Kembali lagi bersama saya Miss Fitri Nurjana. Pada video ini, kita akan membahas materi mengenai explanation text. Tujuan dari materi ini adalah memberi informasi kepada pembaca atau pendengar tentang proses terjadinya sesuatu. The purpose of this material is to give information to the readers about the process of something happening. Pernahkah kalian menyaksikan hujan, kilat? Have you ever witnessed rain, lightning? Have you ever seen this phenomena? Gerhana bulan, pelangi. Have you ever seen this phenomena? Lunar eclipse, rainbow. Mengapa itu terjadi? Why does it happen? Apa jenis teks yang akan kita gunakan untuk menjelaskan fenomena ini? What kind of text will we use to explain this phenomenon? Kita akan menggunakan explanation text. Jadi, yang dimaksud dengan explanation text adalah jenis teks yang menceritakan proses yang berkaitan dengan pembentukan fenomena. Explanation text is a text which tells processes relating to forming of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena. Explanation text is to say why and how the forming of the phenomena. It is often found in science, geography, and history textbooks. Apa saja fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan dari explanation text? Social function of explanation text is to explain the processes involved in the formation or working of natural or socio-cultural phenomena. The generic structure are general statement, sequence of explanation, and closing. How about the language features? The language features are featuring generic participant, for example, sun, rain, etc. Using chronological connection, to begin with, next, etc. Using passive voice pattern. Using simple present tense. For example, how to fly a hot air balloon. A hot air balloon consists of a basket, 4 big gas tanks, a burner, and the balloon or envelope. First, the pilot puts 4 nylon poles into sockets on top of the basket. Then, she puts the burner on top of the poles. Next, she connects the cables to the burner frame. The cables also go under the basket in order to hold everything together. After this, she connects the hoses from the full gas tanks to the burner so that she can test it. Example 2. How rainbow is formed. Rainbow is one of optic phenomena that happens in the atmosphere of the Earth naturally. We can see it in mountain range or when it is cloudy or when it is raining and rising of sun. You can see it perfectly. If it is seen by standing in a high place, it is real that rainbow is a circle form, not like parabola form. When we are looking at rainbow's colors, we will see them. The order of red is on the highest order, and purple is on the lowest order. Red is most dominant than another color caused by having bigger wave between others. Therefore, the red one is in the highest order, and purple one is in the lowest order. How rainbow is formed? Try to watch it when light of sun consumes a 90-degree angle mirror or glass prism sight or surface of soft form. We can see colors on the right. The light is read to be some wavelength of light that it is seen by our eyes as red, bright red, yellow, green, blue, and purple. These colors are components of light that they are called visible light. The other component is invisible light, such as infrared, that is in the right side, and ultraviolet, bright red, is in the left side. So we can see the beautiful rainbow because there are some processes to be beautiful rainbow that it appears in the sky. Example 3. How does rain form? Water droplets form from warm air. As the warm air rises in the sky, it cools. Water vapor, invisible water in the air, always exists in our air. Warm air quiet a bit of water. For example, in the summer, it is usually very humid. When enough of these droplets collect together, we see them as clouds. If the clouds are big enough and have enough water droplets, the droplets bang together and form even bigger drops. When the drops get heavy, they fall because of gravity, and you see and feel rain. Well, my dear student, itulah penjelasan tentang explanation text. Tentunya kalian sudah paham bukan? Sekian materi kali ini. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.